Hey guys, welcome to Two Egg Farms. This is Katrina with you this afternoon. I wanted to take just a moment or two and show you the squash that we've recently harvested from our garden. I'm getting ready to prepare dinner for tonight. So what I've done is just taken a few squash out of our garden that we harvested yesterday. I sliced them up. You don't have to cut them too thin. I don't like mine too thin because they're going to cook down anyway. We've added some salt, some pepper. I have some butter, and then I have some onions on top, which will cook down. You don't have to add onions if you don't like. But I'll also, once they cook down, what I'll do is I'll sprinkle just a little bit of sugar on mine. That's how my grandmother used to make it, and I like it with a little sweetness to my squash. But that's all you have to do. It takes, just a couple minutes to bring your squash to a simmer. And then what you want to do is just, depending on the texture, how you like to eat it, just cook it down till you get to the texture you like. Usually most of the water is all gone out of mine. And then they develop a little glaze on them because of the sugar. But after that, they will be ready to eat and oh so good. Thank you guys for taking a moment to watch us here on Two Egg Farms. If you haven't liked or subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys on the next video.